In this video, we're going to introduce you to some useful sources of education information, and we're going to use this topic to help us with a demonstration. Impact of virtual learning environments on accessible learning in higher education. Right, so we're going to pick out the key themes from this topic: virtual learning environments, accessible learning, higher education. And then we'll use these themes to help us think of some further keywords to try in our search. Some of these terms will either broaden our search or help us to focus it further. As you can see, we've put phrases in double quotation marks to ensure that all the words in a phrase are searched for together rather than separately. And we have added an asterisk to the end of some search terms. This is a quick way to search for all possible endings for a keyword. So add them to the ends of words which could have plural endings, or to word stems which could have a different ending. For example, inclusive could be inclusive or inclusivity. Symbols can vary from database to database, so always check the help information. Okay, we're ready to start our search. Here are the key search tools for education. We have the British Education Index and Education Collection. And both of these are really useful for ways of finding education research material. As you can imagine, the British Education Index has a UK focus. You could also use Scopus, which is a multidisciplinary database which covers education information. So to access these databases, we need to start on the intranet. Click on Libraries. Next, we need to go to the information resources by subject and scroll to the social sciences section, and this is where the education resources are kept. Just check you're on the journal articles and conference papers tab, as that's where the databases are located. And then you'll see a list of all the databases for social sciences, including those for education. And today we're going to be looking at the Education Collection from ProQuest. So just click on the link. We suggest using the advanced search, and now we're going to add the keywords that we identified earlier to construct our search. So the keywords which were in the first column of our table are going to be put into the first search box, and you can see there that we've separated each of these terms using the word or, which indicates that we can have any of these terms in our search results. I'm also adding in the asterisk. And then in the row underneath, I'm adding the second column of keywords. And then if we need further rows, we can click the Add Row button and add in our final set of search terms. To focus our search, I'm going to choose the option to search in anywhere except the full text from the menu over here on the right. I could also add other limits to my search, such as publication date, but I'm just going to click on the search button. So take a quick look through your results. So check to make sure that they look useful, and if not, you can always refine your search terms. You can also use the filters to narrow your results further. And we're going to choose the scholarly journals filter. Looking at your results, you can find out more information about them by choosing the abstract and details link, or if you want to see the whole article, choose the full text option. Cited by will allow you to see who else has cited this article in their work, or you can explore the list of references in the article itself. If there are useful articles in there and you want to send them to your reference management software or email them to yourself, just select them and then choose the All Save Options button, and then you'll get the choices. If the search is working well for you and you'd just like to be notified when new articles are added to the database which match your search, you can set up an email alert. Some search tools will require you to create an account to set up alerts and save previous searches. Depending on your topic, you may find it useful to look at other search tools. APA PsycInfo focuses on psychology and related areas. ASSIA is a social sciences database that also covers education. And Web of Science is another multidisciplinary database similar to Scopus, which includes references on educational research. And the search techniques and database functionality we've shown in this video will generally work in the same way in most databases. And that's it. If you would like further help with finding education information, you can contact the Social Sciences Subject Librarian.